Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix battery draining very fast after iOS 26 update. For example, if you have recently installed the latest version of iOS 26 on your iPhone and after that you see sudden changes in your battery performance on iPhone. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to go to the battery settings here, and here you have to simply check whether you do not have use a battery uh, more than ever. For example, if your battery usage is more than enough after the iOS 26 update, then battery drain is enough. But if you see sudden battery changes after iOS 26 update, then what you have to do, you have to simply first of all convert your iPhone to low power mode, and after that you have to simply check your performance. And if you see any noticeable changes in your battery performance, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to battery settings again, and this time you have to simply click on battery health and charging, and you have to simply check your battery health. If it is less than 80%, then your battery performance is due to your battery health. So that's why you have to simply change your battery. And if your battery health is more than enough, and your battery was very good before the iOS 26 update, then what you have to do, you have to simply turn on this optimized battery charging, and you have to simply first of all fully charge your iPhone, and after that you have to simply check your battery performance whether it is improved or not. If the battery performance is not good, then you have to simply wait for another iOS 26 profile, so that you can simply update to the latest iOS 26 after that, because many upgrades has many flaws. So after that a new update is available, so that can fix the problem. So if you are facing battery performance, then you have to simply wait for the another update, so that it can fix your battery health and performance. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.